Hello guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making vegetable egg roll. So as you can see, I'm going to be adding my frozen vegetable, a little bit of it, into my bowl. Then I'm going to transfer it into a blender. So I transfer it into a blender. Then after transferring it into a blender, I gently remove all of them inside there. Then I go in with a little bit of warm water. I added a little bit of water. Then after that, I blend it. So this is the outcome of it. Then I transfer it into my bowl. I go in with egg. Then I go in with baking powder. Then I go in with a pinch of salt. Then I go in with some groundnut oil. Then the next thing I add was nutmeg. Then after adding the nutmeg, I go in with some vanilla powder. You can skip it, it's optional. Then I go in with sugar. Then the next thing I do, I mix and combine together. Then after mixing it, after enough mixing, then the next thing I do, I grab my all-purpose flour, because I used 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I pour it, then I mix and combine together. Make sure that your hand is washed. So guys, if today is your first time coming across my Facebook page at Lulu's Kitchen, please don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page at Lulu's Kitchen. And don't also forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel at Lulu's Kitchen. Subscribe, follow, drop your comment, and tell me where you are watching from. Then I add the remaining half cup of the flour inside. Then I mix until the dough is well soft like this. You see, this vegetable egg roll tastes so amazing. It was so good, so yummy. But what happened after everything, guys, do not come from you. My camera went off after enough baking. My camera just went off, so I could not capture how it looked like. But I promise you guys, in my next video, I'm going to capture it. When we finish it, I'm going to show you guys how the inside and the outside look like. For this video, I could not film it. I could not film it finish, and I will not delete the video because I worked so hard for this video. So I just decided to show you guys how it look like and what I bake my vegetable egg roll. It was so sweet, guys. Or back of the camera, they just say outside the camera, this egg roll, vegetable egg roll, was so amazing. So we are done here. We are going to transfer them into our hot oil that is already hot. Then after that, we are going to check the oil. Then we are going to be dipping them inside the hot oil, and we are going to fry them until it is well fried golden brown. Guys, trust me when I say this vegetable egg roll tastes so amazing. It tastes so amazing. How are they going to know? They are not going to know. They will not know. How will they know? So my kid, when my kids come back from school, my kids was asking me, "Mommy, why is the egg roll green? Why is it green? What do you put it?" I say, "Don't worry, eat. The most important thing is sweet." So guys, please do not come for me from this video. I'm going to do this video again. I'm going to recreate this vegetable egg roll again, and I'm going to show you guys how we eat it, how it tastes like, and it was so amazing. So guys, I don't want to delete my effort because it take me a lot of time to create this vegetable egg roll. So as you can see, our egg roll is ready to eat and ready to enjoy. So what we have to do now is to bring out our bowl and dig it out, and it's ready. So guys, do not forget to follow me, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and I will see you guys in my second egg roll video again. Remember, blessed. Bye.